if you do end up needing to get a mover, a few things to consider. This is not the time to go through the yellow pages. This is when you need to actually ask people who have used folks and can recommend folks. I've had horror stories of folks coming to me and saying, you know, the last time I moved, or my mother tried to move, or whatever, and they held her stuff on the truck until she gave them an extra $2,000 and wouldn't take it off. You know, there's a lot of weird games that get played. A lot of stuff can get broken, you know, and again, if you're only taking mission critical stuff that means a lot to you, it becomes even more important to make sure that the person's really going to take good care of that. They should all give you a free estimate, and usually if you're moving within the state, it is based on time and materials. If you're moving out of the state, then it will be based on weight as well as some packing time and materials.